highlight of some of our achievements. For instance, in Busia, we've been able to employ 20 new doctors. So as we speak, we have medical officers being posted even to sub-county hospitals and high volume health centers. The other achievement in Busia is that we've had release of doctors to further their studies. And then we've also had promotions of a few doctors. The only challenge we have is that they have not received their official letters because of poor lack of funds from the executive, but we've been able to see the list of doctors who've been promoted. But as I had alluded earlier, is that the promotions are actually erratic. So we still cannot say we are at par in terms of promotions. And similarly, if I go to Kakamega, is that we were able to achieve promotions, but we still have issues. They are not at par. And we've also been able to get release of doctors. Union dues deductions in Kakamega, Vihiga, and Bungoma, we have no issues. They remit, apart from delays, the normal delays in terms of remittance to the union coffers. The other achievement is that we've also been able to get promotions in Vihiga. I think the letters are yet to be released, but we've been able to affirm, and we've seen the list of doctors that actually have been promoted. We have had the issue of promotions. So this issue is uniform in Bungoma, Busia, Vihiga, and Kakamega. We've had doctors who have actually been promoted, but the promotions being an ongoing process. So we still have doctors that are due, and we still have doctors who've been promoted and their promotions are not yet up to date. We've had 3 doctors released in Busia. We have had 4 doctors in Kakamega, and we've also had a few doctors in Vihiga and Bungoma, but we still have a big problem in terms of release because the counties are hesitant to release doctors. They are hesitant to actually support them or give them scholarships. So most of the students end up paying out of pocket. Then the other issue we've had, at least this has been in Bungoma and Vihiga, is the issue of salary delays. This has been perennial, and we've had to have had talks with the executive in both counties to at least correct this issue. So the worst hit county is actually Vihiga, but we've had several talks, and at least we have hopes that the county will improve for the better. The other challenges we've had in Busia is the issue of union deductions. Since the last strike, the county has been actually hesitant to remit union dues. So we've actually been remitting via M-Pesa. And this one, it's usually not very easy for officers to remit via M-Pesa. So I think those are some of the challenges. So I'll give an opportunity to my treasurer, then my deputy treasurer to also add something. Thank you.
I think we are doing fairly well in terms of doctors contributing to the union. I don't have the exact figures of the doctors that are still contributing 1,000 from Bungoma and Busia and Kakamega counties, but I'll find that information because I'm aware that most of the doctors are contributing 3,000 as it's supposed to be. So I would also like to affirm or to underline the fact that release for postgraduate studies was the biggest impediment in Kakamega County, but we made a courtesy call to the county secretary and the CEC of health and the chief officer of health, together with Dr. Charo, and we were also there with Dr. Aura, who is the deputy branch secretary. And after that courtesy call, we have seen that all doctors that had applied for postgraduate release were released from Kakamega.
So we would emphasize that going forward, we will continue championing for doctors, giving them platforms to express their disgruntlements, and also congratulate and celebrate our achievements. So I'd also like to salute the national office for trusting in us and also working in collaboration with us to make sure that our objectives are in line and are achievable.